Let's go. Chains, circle stones. My man's gonna kill this. And then there he goes. Let's go. Deadlift. Put it down. And deadlift. Now walk. Touch the bottom. Push through the heels. Yeah, and chest up. Don't go. Walk. Nice. Beautiful. Okay, put it down. Come to this circle stone right here. Put it around your neck. Do 5 repetitions. You jacked up arms. 1, 2, beautiful. 3, 4, and 5. Nice. Put that circle stone down. Take the chain off. We'll go to the second one. Pick it up. Beautiful. Nice. Push through those heels. Sit back. Now walk. Walk about 6-7 steps. Walk about 6-7 steps. There. You can do a deadlift now. Touch on the bottom nicely. Under control. Explode up. Beautiful. Walk. Keep the stomach strong. Nice. And yes. And put it down. You're going to go to the second stone here. Eat this. Second chain, second stone. Let's go. Throw it around the neck. Do some neutral curls with the circle stone. Let's go. Eat it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Beautiful. Nice. Perfect.